Maybe. Maybe. Rackham Joe. Ça y est. Apache.
Final terme paper. Seminar in Criminology. February 17, 2012. By Christopher Ramirez. The Racial Incality Debate. A Critical Look at Sampson et Wilson's Theory of Race and Crime. Introduction. The Racial Incality Theory, first developed by Sampson et Wilson, 1995, is a useful theory for explaining why the rate of crime, particularly in black neighborhoods, exist. And it can also be used to explore the reason de racial disparity in the giant prison system through America. Sampson et Wilson formulated their hypothesis on all race matte in affecting crime rate in America from the original research of Shainke, 1969. Te acclaimed recherche étudier social disorganisation, social disorganisation theory, l'état immigrant neighborhood de devient une subculture. Gathering data to suggest a macro level of crime theory were best at explaining the cause of crime in the community. In the first and the most notable social theory of crime, Shainke, 1969, discovered a link between en place, organisation, and the subcultural value, which seem to show our and new life mapping. The first suggested that crime is not necessarily linked to someone's gender, age, or race, but is more directly related to the ecological and even ethnic makeup of a particular community. Aboutir hier la The Racial Incality Debate, A Critical Look at Sampson et Wilson's Theory of Race and Crime. Introduction. The Racial Incality Theory, first developed by Sampson et Wilson, 1995, is a useful theory for explaining why the rate of crime, particularly in black neighborhoods, exist. And it can also be used to explore the reason de racial disparity in the giant prison system through America. Sampson et Wilson formulated their hypothesis on all race matte in affecting crime rate in America from the original research of Shainke, 1969. Te acclaimed recherche étudier social disorganisation theory, l'état immigrant neighborhood devient une subculture. Gathering data to suggest a macro level of crime theory were best at explaining the cause of crime in the community. In the first and the most notable social theory of crime, Shainke, 1969, discovered a link between en place, organisation, and the subcultural value, which seem to show our and new life matte. The first suggested that crime is not necessarily linked to someone's gender, age, or race, but is more directly related to the ecological and even ethnic makeup of a particular community. Aboutir hier la T. From their work and the development and the more updated macro explanation of crime theory. Proving the racial incality factor in American society contributed to the high level of crime in black neighborhoods. Not only are black experiencing high crime rate inter-community temps, let's say, 8, data show that they are receiving longitudinal normal giant de prison sentence. Furthermore, additional research, which is directly tied to Sampson et Wilson original study of racial incality factor and their influence on crime rate, a criminologist looking at all the neo. Classical approach to victim crime may be leading to high normal incarceration rate for the minority community, namely Latino and the Black. The kind of disproportionate sentencing of Latino and the Black suggests that Sampson et Wilson's racial incality theory additional application in explaining all varying degree of racism in America affect sentencing and the punishment model for people of color. Finally, il will attempt to utilize and test Sampson et Wilson's racial incality theory against the criminological theory, namely, deterrence, incapacitation, self-control and rational choice. He will in turn support en argumentaras and place domate in explaining crime and incarceration rate in America. And all the theory to slowing and even stopping crime from occurring in American community is not important alongside at by neoclassical reform to reduce crime in our country at the expense of black, Latino, andoté. The Effect of Général de Terrence et Incapacitation. Sampson et Wilson se racial incality seem to have been largely displaced by the neoclassical approach to victim crime, which is often took over a conservative and harsh punishment model. Ta been put in place to accurately deal with short and long-term criminal offended in America. A result of applying new type of American criminal justice model to occur, jail, and de prison, Sampson et Wilson the racial incality to remain not be taken seriously, at least for now, by police in balancing out the scale of justice and even sentencing guideline for people of color. For now, police have mostly discounted Sampson et Wilson's incality theory and the criminologist recommendation to look at all race and the plasmate in influence in many black and Latino to commit crime at it. Police to include legislator, the police, judge and the juror, have largely discredited Sampson et Wilson's theory of crime and instead supported a more modern and generally effective neoclassical theory of strong deterrence and incapacitation. Type of Jetugon crime philosophy, or some like to call it the Beccaria and the Bantam approach to victim crime in America, are not only displaced and targeted racial minorities at record numbers, but led to ide incarceration rate for juvenile awela adulte mal offended. For instance, American Criminal Justice Police led an effort to move away from the positivist approach of rehabilitation in the 1970 secondes. Turnal seem to be a widely led and organized effort to institute and key in place stranger deterrence and incapacitation program to reduce crime in America. Those two type of punishment model have disproportionately displaced black and Latino, increasing their overall numbers in the giant prison system throughout America. In fact, look at the following statistic. Since 1970, the number of state and federal prisoners has grown by over 600%, from feuilletant 200,000 to almost 1,4 million. Urgent et Manza, 2000, page 781. Most of the growth in the black and Latino prison population were in 2000, out of the 1,237,469 state and federal prisoners, 436,500 are white, 572,900 are black, and 206,900 are Hispanic. Beck et Harrison, 2000, page 10. And the was often perceived, at the state and federal level, is the practice of general deterrence of any kind, such as instituting legal punishment and the criminal justice policy, which can inhibit crime, do not have very solid and credible empirical evidence that deterrence through the imposition of criminal sanction work very well. Paternoster, 2010. Self-control, rational choice, and the macro vs micro debate. Self-control and even rational choice story falande de classical approach to victim crime, and atento formulata hypositateur are only micro-level explanation to crime. Directly discounting any notion ta certain macro or structural factor cause people to offend. Those kind of theories or criminological explanation of crime are largely based and related to the research of Gottfredson and Hirschis, 1990, General Theory of Crime. In theory, it has been well established that criminal and analog behavior are argued to be the result of a stable individual psychological trait referred to allow self-control. Grasmick, Tickle, Bursey, Arneclef, 1993. Thais, those with low self-control are more prone to engage in all kind of risky behavior, unprotected sex, reckless driving, smoking, drinking, gambling, lying, school, unwanted pregnancy, souhaitant presentation, low self. Control and versatility, viewed intiway, those who lack self-control or put differently, those whose parents failed to instill self-control in them, will be impulsive, short-sighted, prone to risk taking. And will see the very kind of immediate gratification, EG, excitement, material goods, ta criminal behavior provid, Hirschi, 1969, page 66. Altug, Tourisme empirical evidence in the Journal of Criminology to suggest the black, and even Latino, show lower level of self-control when compared to it, till am and to conclude ta de self. Control may not be a good hypothesis to explain with certain people, namely black and Latino, commemore crime per capita tant emioteras. Furthermore, applying the rational choice story to determine with certain people chose to often a some application iran de met challenge the ethnicity of Sampson et Wilson se macro theory of racial inequality. In the rational choice story, potential criminal offended with the risk, suggesting that if the risk is low and the reward high, certain people will commit criminal act. Knowing that benefactor punished is relatively minimal and the crime is worth the shorter long-term gain. In other words, rational choice story alta de choix s'aperçoit tant to maximize utility, where utility is synonym with the modern concept of reinforcement in behavioral psychology, Ernst, 1990, page 356. Additionally, self-control et rational choice story place a negative light on the research of Sampson et Wilson, suggesting that the high crime group, black, Latino and the pera native American lack proper parenting and the self. Control mechanism, are set to be irrational, and the shows utility of a personal constraint. In the case of poor parenting controls or environment, Hirsch's self-control theory, it applied to African American and white as a whole, been empirically tested, and largely discredited by the research of Gesualdi, 1998. IMAC de Clinta de data researched doesn't support the hypothesis single family added as a whole, which implicates type of as a whole exhibit poor parenting control, influence family member, particularly young men, to commit criminal act. In other words, the percentage of single family added as a whole among the black and the white increased at the same time property and the violent crime rate including the murder rate of the created, Gesualdi, 1998, page 3, from the finding. Logic would dictate that crime rate are not directly proportional to low self-control or even lack of good parenting skill. Active point, Sampson et Wilson's macro theory of crime is probably the best hypothesis for explaining what seems to be the rate of crime in black neighborhood, opposed to it, not low self-control très bien exhibited by African American and Latino. Furthermore, the success of controls or lack of control are universal factor in all family structure through America, which don't seem to have a direct effect on crime rate in black and pera white neighborhood. There are also other factors that play in Hirsch's research to suggest that people of color are slightly more erratic, and as a result, decide to turn to crime a way of resolving some of their problems and possibly achieving such long-term goals. A the American Dream. Of course, the idea that people of color are more prone to criminal propensity, due to micropsychological explanation, seems way too good to be real and largely disproven by any kind of empirical data. Active point, Sampson et Wilson's racial inequality theory appear to be a more plausible and pragmatic explanation to why certain people in black and pera Latino neighborhood experience more crime, tant a similar demographic population. The neoclassical approach to crime, at the expense of minority. There are other related research study, of mannequin, that have largely approved of Sampson et Wilson's racial inequality theory, and at the same time disproved of the neoclassical approach to crime in America. Thus believers in Sampson et Wilson's macro theory of crime have attempted to expand on it by proposing taras domate in affecting sentencing guideline and the prison term in the United States. For instance, Professor Paul Butler, a reputable recherché on the racial inequality influence en crime, not in the Yale Journal, 1995, that the reason we have longer prison term for black is simply not a lack of support for the deterrence and incapacitation model for victim crime, Booker crime victim and the judicial policy, the neoclassical approach, in America seem to qualify and quantify the targeting of black. Annoté, Butler, 1995. Additionally, Butler found that the incarceration rate for people of color, namely black, can be partly blamed on the white actor in the justice system, such as legislator, police, prosecutor, judge, and the juror. Because they exercise their discretion to make and enforce the criminal law in a discriminatory fashion, Butler, 1995, page 692. Sampson et Wilson story of racial inequality use a similar argument of unsolved racism in our private, social, and the government institutions seem to have negatively affected black neighborhood. And the innocent black exhibit inferior and the criminal trace implausible and the somehow unbelievable. For instance, some leading criminologists, Kean et Jacob, 2009, have expanded on the idea of Sampson et Wilson, pointing the figure at Republican legislators who have perceived racial minority, particularly black, a threat to their way of life. En illustration, finding support expectation ta such racial disparity de can most pronounced in jurisdiction in which covertly racist law under the political appeal were most successful and were expanding American population, ta note de comme large to enforce political viel, traitant de political and de cultural dominance of wit, Kean et Jacob, 2009, page 231. Hot finding of their suggest the following, et avis en phase républicain presidential candidate placed on racial code were interlawan. Or the campaign may have produced strong extra legal effect on racial imprisoned ratio in presidential election year. Kean et Jacob, 2009, page 230. The stock policy decision, largely based in the neoclassical approach to crime, at the highest level of government, have dramatically increased racial disparity in prison admission, will seeming to calm the fear of white community, who partly blame black and Latino for violent crime internetborough. But the data from the Sampson et Wilson, 2000, study suggest that the source of viol crime appear to be remarkably invariant across race and the rooted in the structural difference among the community, city, and the state. In Economic and the Family Organization, Sampson et Wilson, 2000, page 129, in a Taylor, a deteriorating social structure in African American community may be attributed to the high rate of family instability and urban poverty, not normally found in white neighborhood, leading to high crime rate among the black and the para-Latino family. For example, the illustrate the majority of poor black offended live in socially deprived neighborhood with high rate of family disruption, whereas, in the case of poor white, Eventos from broken homes, live in area of relative family stability, Sampson et Wilson, 2000, page 129, most importantly, Sampson et Wilson outlined the fact of racial and social disorganization in the African American community to help us come to know and realize that the root cause for the high rate of crime in the neighborhood is predominantly centralized. And do not spill of to neighboring community. Conclusion. We must always keep in mind the routine neoclassical approach to crime victim may be partly responsible for reducing crime in America, but it also, by Halloween and sending many more black and brown to prison enter white counterpart in crime. For instance, examine the following numbers. Depuis en 1980 and 2000, the national black Bru arrest rate increased from roughly 6.5 to 29.1 per 1,000%, whereas the white Bru arrest rate increased only from 3.5 to 4.6 per 1,000%. Beckett, Miro, et Pfingst, 2006, page 106. And for Latino, it may be far worse than what most people live and expect from our justice system. For instance, the Mute, 2003, a well-respected criminologist, who chose to conduct a study of felony arrested, at the pre-trial stage. Will compile data to support his the and argument a racial disparity wakit prevail in the court system, and the one mostly apparent for black and the Latino. From his qualitative and the quantitative study of racial difference of felony arrested, he will find and conclude that 1. Pre-trial decision are less scrutiny than sentencing decision. Study environ for racial bias go largely unchecked. 2. Hispanic and the black defendant are often unlikely to pay by, denied by or received the harshest by term. 3. Hispanic defendant are more likely to be detained than white and the black defendant. 4. And the generally speaking, en offend des race, sex, and age play a significant role in sentencing, de Mute, 2003. Most, if not all, neoclassical reform will explain a nette's racial disparity in the courts and the prison systems are an anomaly, and the pera should be analyzed on a quantitative level. showing the many more black and Latino experiences with disadvantage in the core system, because a group the commigrate of crime temps, let's say, with. For instance, in the text Boras, Crime and Delal, author Randall Kennedy content a public authority in the United States have long used a signal of an as a risk of criminality, Kennedy, 1997, page 138. A result of the type of thinking, neoclassical reform ego onto suggest and the support a call to severely punish and the sanctions to grow. Regardless of the implication tamic to be apparent from the data showing racial disparity in the justice and the penal system. Furte, the believe all criminal must be dealt with in a very disciplined and strict manner, otherwise we face total mayhem in our street, court, and the penal system. Bui believe ta sanction and the structural tourist will support more of an ideology, along the line, we need to place more emphasis on rehabilitation models or at least look at the disproportionality in arrest and the sentencing rate. Otherwise we face a furtive fragmentation of our society and possibly encourage a cultural of revenge. The evidence of all black, Latino, and they are discriminated against in the New America criminal justice system is quite clear, and we certainly have made a case to examine our system of criminal justice enforcement and the punishment, hoping to motivate to take cannot look at the efficacy and the legitimacy. Furte, we must support and create a new criminal justice mandate in America to balance out the scale of justice, in which black, Latino, and the lot minority group through America cannot fully regard removed fet in a justice system is set out to work for them, not against them. Also, we must keep in mind a Sampson, 2004, delivered an emerging body of research on implicitly suggest a racial stereotype chat perception of the seriousness or dangerousness of particular situation and the social problem, particularly when information about those situations is limited. Beckett, et al., 2006, page 106. In Ottawa, the neoclassical approach to crime fighting in America, may be not in more than a very reactionary response to our crime problem, based on their own belief of all rationality and the crime into the picture, low self-control, especially with people of color, and the strong the deterrence model may be working to white away at America's crime problem. This kind of belief overshadow any reliance authorities social disadvantage a factor in explaining why certain people commit crime and the para explain why certain neoclassical reform vieille black, Latino, and autism of deviant and the prone to crime, tant with. Tedoti by supporting torita suggest ta black and the Latinos a algol irrational, exhibit por patent in skill, and even shaman de la belle terre children into a festil of crime. Sampson et Wilson's story of racial inequality will continue to challenge the legitimacy and efficacy of the American neoclassical approach to crime. By raising the questioning alter criminological theory to crime fighting may be working for null, but also by incarcerating a high proportion of black and Latino. From a walk of life in any number of community through America. Lastly, therefore we can stop crime from occurring, or at least lessen impact on all community through America, we must re-examine the neo-classical approach and so much an effective strategy for slowing or even stop in America's crime wave, but an unfair strategy to serve the questionable and the vital interest of the majority, with, at the expense of vote, but like Latino. As some criminologists like to state, we will continue to experience disillusion with the American criminal justice system, I continue to be discriminatory, outdated, and responsible for locking up 25% of the world's prison population, and possibly more, at the hand of neoclassical tourists and reformé. In the war of Enron, the smallest minority only artists the individual, tous vos demi-individual richt cano clin to be defended of minority, a persist effort, on the part of neoclassical reformé. Move forward a way of dealing with America's crime problem, we should see a continued increase in incarceration rate for black and Latino. This a well-established trend and be well documented, not only in the research paper, but in the most notable journal article and article. Finally, many of us will favor more of a positivist approach to fixing crime or dealing with criminal offenders in the country meaning they could be to let to turn back the clock on a neo. Classical punishment model to unfairly racial minority, at the benefit of wit and dote. Is a fact and will remain true for a long time, along a black and dote minority fight to challenge the type of reform in the course industry. There will be a long-term struggle for all people of color, and the parawit, as we move forward into the next century of crime fighting and prevention. We must maintain a dutiful obligation to balance out the scale of justice for all Americans, not just a selected and privileged majority. It can be held true and very much a principled and tailored reality that can be applied to all of America's crime problem, at least in this century. Reference. Beck, A. et Harrison, p. 2000. Prisonnier in 2000. Retrieved from. http://149.01.35165/content/pub/pdf/p00.pdf. Beckett, K. Miro, K. et Pfingst, L. 2006. Race, Bru, Anne. Policing, Understanding Disparity in Bru Delivery. Arrest Criminology, 44, 1, 105 à 137. Doigt. 10.1111J, 1745. 9125, 2006, 00044X. Butler, P. 1995. Racially Based Jury Nullification, Black Power in 2. Criminal Justice System. Yalla Journal, 105, 676 à 726. Christopher Hugjan and Jeff Manza. Democratic Contraction, Political Consequence of Felon. Disenfranchisement in the United States. American Sociological Review vol 67, numéro 6. Décembre, 2002, page 777 à 803. De Muth, S. 2003. Racial and Ethnic Difference in Pro-Trial Release. Decision and Outcome, a comparison of Hispanic, Black, and White. Felony arresté. Criminologie, 41, 3, 873 à 908. Doigt. 10.1111J, 1745. 9125.2003 TB01007X. Josualdi, L. 1998. Don't blame mom for crime. De Humaniste, 58, 3, 3. Grasmick, H. Title, C. Bursi J.R., R. et Arneclef, B. 1993. Testing de corps empirical. Implication of Gottfredson and Hirschis General Theory of Crime. Journal of Crime and Delinquency, 30, 1, 5 à 29 doigts. 10.1177 002, 24, 27, 89, 30, 30, 00, 10, 02. Hirschi, T. 1969. Cause of Delinquency. Berkeley, University of California Press. Kean, B. et Jacob, D. 2009. Racial Tria, Partisans politiques, Anne. Racial Disparity in Prison Admission, à Panel. Analyse. Criminologie, 47, 1, 209 à 238 doigts. 10.1111J, 1745. 9125, 2009, 00143X. Kennedy, R. 1997. Race, Crime, Anne de Delahaye. New York, Random House, Paternoster, Raymond. Journal of Criminal Law et Criminologie 100, 3, Sumé 2010. 765. 823. Rational Choice Story, Necessary but not suffici. Ernstein, Richard J. American Psychologist 45, 3, mars 1990. 356 à 367. Sampson, R. et Wilson, W. 2000. The Laboratory of Race, Crime, and Urban Inequality. Retrieved from http://collet.libar.edu/schorj/pdf/513-Wilson.pdf. Souhaitant, G. Producer, 2012 Présentation, Low Self-Control and Versatility. PowerPoint Présentation. Retrieved from Azuedu.
Skype Cyberbitch CYBER-bitch.
Pablo Mieve. Charlie, cut. Alright, we're at our safe house right now. I got my bodyguard. I am Dark Lord Ravenous, also known as fucking Robbie Kwan. I guess he's a Dark Jedi today. Look how dark I look. Ah, it's scary, huh? Let me get my hand away. Behind you'll see his American flag over there, barely in the distance. Is that Union Pacific Railway?
Yep.
Well, it's parked there because we're under a tornado watch, and
Warning.
it's a warning, and it's headed this way, so I don't guess the train wants to get in the way of the tornado. I'm not from here. I'm that fucking Jew Seattle, so we're not used to that. Here comes the car. Is that a cop?
No.
Oh, fuck, I'm so paranoid. Oh, they're going fast. Where are they going?
It's probably somebody trying to get home.
Oh, really?
before the storm hit.
Why are they going so fast? Oh, they're racing Mexicans. Oh, there they are. Oh, I'm so paranoid. You know everybody's after me in this.
A lot of people want to get home because that's
Oh, you know everybody's after me.
Storms coming this
Oh,
way,
really?
So, yeah, everybody's
It's
gonna
my
wanna
first
get
time
home.
in a storm down here. I'm so excited. It's a good thing I don't have my $4,000 Mac here. So get that fucker and put it downstairs right away. You got your gun though?
Yeah.
Oh, as long as you have a gun, that's all that carries. These fuckers are crazy. They're trying to kill me, all of them, especially those fucking Jews and Christians. Ah. Ah, you know I don't like Jews, right? Get the Nazi armband, bring it over, get it, go get it, hurry. I'm not fucking scared. It's my right. Ah, where's that guy? Everybody's going fast here. Real fast. Is that a cop?
No.
Are you sure? I'm
People
so
are just-
paranoid.
People are just nervous right
Why are they
now.
all driving so fast? Ah, I wish you guys could catch it on
Have you ever been in
camera.
a tornado?
No. Ah, what the fuck is that? It's in your hand, not my hand. Put it on the floor. I just found it.
Yeah, you just.
Oh, put it on the floor first. Seriously.
Well, what?
It doesn't matter. Stick your boot on it. Pretend you're a fucking Nazi. Hurry, stick your boot on it. Look. You see that? You see the camera? We're not Nazis. We found them. We found one. I'm gonna go back and look for some more, though. Oh, it's so fun. Oh, there's another American. Oh, we can't show the neighborhood. Don't know where we live. This is a safe house. We can't say anything. And I'm getting ready to go to another safe house out of the fucking country. I can hardly wait. Down under. Go for gold. Yeah, girls like me. Those Australian girls like me. Yeah. I bet they say that when they start fucking, right? Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, you got something there? Oh, I look so good.
Getting dark.
I'm Shay, just a little gay. If you like me and you're good looking, you and your sister fucking head my way. Oh yeah, and I don't want fucking twins either. I don't like Siamese. You need to be white. You need to have money too. And I accept Bitcoin. I do. Do I have a pentagram on? I forgot to tell you guys I'm a devil worshiper. They call me a Diablo. I'm straight by the day, but I fuck around with guys at night. What? Oh, it's getting windy now.
Yes.
Is it? Ah, it's super. I got a raindrop on my ass. It's a fucking fag. Get in there. Get in the house. Ah. You know how they like to get you from behind. I can't stand them. Oh, I hate fags. Don't get me going on that. What? Huh? Hold the camera steady. The fuckers start getting dizzy. Yeah, if you're getting dizzy, fucking take a break. We're gonna start playing the Bears right now. What? Is that a tornado? Ah, it's scary. Hold on, here we go. I'm gonna record this here. Let me turn the camera around. I don't look beautiful, but hold on. Here it comes. There's something going. Oh, it's a fucking big one. Is that a big one or what? Oh, are those the tornado sirens? Are those the tornado sirens? Huh? Oh, good.
I think they'll be going off here soon.
Oh, you think so? Oh, there's a truck. They saw the fucking truck. It's so windy, guys and girls. Start snuggling up with each other and start eating our fucking popcorn. We just got started. What? Am I being silly? What? I'm such a silly guy. I'm not a troll. I'm just fucking. I'm not funny. I'm funny, but not funny fucking looking. What? This neighborhood. I used to live in a wealthy neighborhood, but it's okay. I'm not a snob. Why is that train making all that noise? Huh?
We'll hear it.
Oh, really? Why is it making all that noise? It's probably headed for the tornado, huh? Or away. He's probably fucking trying to get away from the tornado. What am I thinking? You know I'm not from here when I start talking like that. That's awesome. Let me go out there. What like? Out in the fucking rain. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Where's that train coming from? That's the midnight train to Georgia. Oh, I bet there's some demons on that motherfucker. Where's your pentagram at? Let me see your pentagram.
Shawnee County.
Oh, really?
At 6:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado.
Oh, it's a fucking tornado siren. Ah, shit. Is that tornado siren?
Tornado siren.
Oh, fuck.
We gotta go to the base.
Are you sure? Oh, fuck. Oh, that's serious. Fuck. Oh, fuck. Hurry. Oh, it's bad. Oh, you fuck. Oh, that's really bad.
Let's go, let's go.
Are you sure? Oh, it's bad. I've only been here a week. Fucking, I blame the Jews.
Lord.
Here. All right, bring the computer, hurry. Hurry. Fuck. You got the gun? Oh, do you have the gun? Oh, get the devil and the goat. The fucking pentagram, that's what I want. And the fucking bell. I'm so nervous. You sure this basement's foolproof?
Yeah.
Fuck.
If it starts to get really loud, we need to get down in this
Oh,
corner.
really?
Okay.
Fuck, you didn't get the Jedi robe?
No.
You can't go back up there?
No.
Oh, fuck, I'm so... Oh, my alter ego's Robbie Kwan. He was supposed to build that big temple in Arizona. Now he's gonna fuck around in the basement. At least they got the color blue, huh?
We can always get another robe.
Oh, fuck, no, that was a special robe. That was the biggest mine in the world I did that film. You gotta go get it. Oh, fuck, you think it's okay to go up there now?
I think it's best to stay here.
Really? Do you have a lighter to light
It's
a
like
candle?
more than likely it'll be okay, but
Do you have a lighter to light a candle? Yeah, light some candles, some black ones, and all the help we can get. Summon the devil. He needs fire. He needs fire and a goat, an apple. Has that. The forbidden apple. We're going light it, Mrs. Bodyguard.
alright.
Say yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Go on now. Go on now. We're supposed to be in the south.
Oh yeah. No,
Go on now.
We're in Tornado Alley right
Oh,
now.
I know. No, we're in the south. That's light where we're at. I'm gonna tell anybody where the fucking at. They come get us. I'm so paranoid. What? Oh, hide. Why don't you wear the KKA
Hide.
outfit?
Oh, you want me to wear this?
I'll wear this if that's something because you're my bodyguard. And I'm not supposed to show you.
That's right.
You have your gun? Did you bring your gun? Is it on you? Where's
Yeah.
your gun? Oh, okay, good. Fucking crazy hospital crazy people out there. I have to be careful, audience.
And tornadoes.
Oh, fuck. Oh, the sirens are still going off. I don't have my
Yeah,
Jedi robe. I'm so pissed.
They'll keep going off as long as there's
Really?
danger, yeah.
Oh, fuck. Oh, you got some knives here? So dangerous. You're a serious devil worshiper.
Just gonna like a couple of them
You
here.
got a rope too?
Yeah.
Fuck. I swear if that thing is closer, you better fucking hang me. Oh, stick the thing around my fucking neck and pretend I'm suicidal. You sick bastards. I knew you guys want to see that. Oh, you guys like to play sick games. I know you do. And you fucking suicidal ones, you better go see a doctor. I'm sick of fucking hearing about that. Hey, where are your hoes at, whore? Oh?
What?
Where are your hoes at, whore?
What?
Your hoes at, whore.
Hose?
Yeah, where's your hoes at, whore?
Hose?
Hoes, the fucking hoes of the people. Where are they at?
Oh, they're probably all underground right now.
No, your hoes in your whore. I mean, your hoes in your head.
Oh, these?
Yeah. You don't have hoes?
No.
Why
You
not?
told me not to cut holes in.
Oh, fuck. Am I saying it right? I'm smart, but not that
Holes?
smart. Whores.
Holes?
Holes in the head.
Holes?
Get the fucking gun and shoot a fucking hole in there. Let me tell you, you can call it hole then. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. You're so crazy. Patton, I know I named you that.
Yes.
Why do you think I named you that? Well, because you're built like a fucking tank. I might as well tell you, I'm going to give you the name. You can get it for yourself. You built like a tank and you get anybody out of the fucking way who wants to
Yes.
harm me. Especially Especially those fucking blue state people. Oh, I don't miss me in the blue state. Fucking hospital crazy people. And those stupid NA meetings. Tried to kill me twice. I couldn't have any weapons on me. It almost got me. It's asked the devil for some help. Little goat head, little baby goat. Serious devil worshippers. What? Fuck, it's quiet so far, gang. I know some of you are probably sitting in your fucking popcorn. You better start taking your pants off. We're gonna hit the sex scene. What? Huh? I know you fucking sick bastards. I'm being so base. And speaking of, I have a master's degree in criminal justice and I talk like a vulgar high school student. They are pretty cute though. But don't fucking come near me. I'll check your ID. And especially if your parents send you. Oh, I can't stand sick parents.
Woohoo!
Oh, that's
Gotta love
close.
those sirens.
Oh, it's too much drama for me.
I love it.
Oh, it's okay, but fuck. I want the Jedi robe next time. Oh, I can't believe I forgot that. I don't even have my wallet. You got everything going on up
You
there.
don't have your wallet?
No, fuck. It's probably up in the fucking clouds. That's where it belongs. It's all Jew money anyhow. Fuck them, send them with the fucking clouds. They die with God. Fucking Yahweh. Don't get me going on that. Let's call the devil here. Hail Satan!
Hail Satan!
Hail Satan!
Hail Satan!
Hail Lucifer!
Hail Lucifer!
God is dead, Satan lives.
God is dead, Satan lives.
Satan always fucking lives. And God is forever dead. It's loud. That's closer now.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
I'm Dark Dravenus. Also, Ravikwan. I've commanded the storms, lost in the last video, but it seems that it's subsided. It seems to be quieter now. I'm quieter. That was a hell of a fucking meditation, let me tell you. Oh, wow, it was a wild ride. I liked it. Better than fucking, well, I don't know what. It's better than fucking. And that's pretty fucking good. Especially, don't get me going on Infinite Men. I got a fucking whole bottles of Viagra, but, that's so stupid. It's so personal. Oh, yeah, I'm just asexual. Don't worry about it. Just Shay, just a little gay. And, don't get me going, the gay guys. Let's go back upstairs.
Alright, you might want to take the rope off, though.
The rope? Oh, yeah, it's right here. It's tie it. You're the bodyguard. Hold on, hold the head. I'll take it off. What? Why do you have me around a fucking rope? I'm not a goat. You know I don't like fucking goats. Baby goats are so wicked. They're so evil. They're always holding the goat, too, commanding the nature. Right?
Yes.
So embarrassing. What? I got a hold of the goat, time to start with the Phelps house, and it stopped. Did I?
Yeah.
Oh man, let's take the pentagram in case someone comes down here and steals it. You know how these fucking people are around here. I mean, silly. I was kind of, you know, a little bit too cursive, but it was fun.
I'm going to leave some of this down here for just right now because we may end up.
Coming back down here?
It's just we're out from under the warning right now.
We crossed the devil into this house. Satan himself has entered here tonight. And the power of the dark side of thunder and tornadoes. In the 666 Beast Code. It was quite a wild ride. A devil ride. The trains to Georgia had all been running from the tornado as we watched earlier in the film. Some have actually stopped now. These trains, carry hundreds of cars. And I've noticed that there's a lot of power in this city. The rest of the world comes through here, probably from China or wherever. And so here we are, and the Dark Lord Satan has quieted things down now. So I should be quiet for a while. I've actually talked too much. Oh fuck, I'm so tired now. I need some coffee. I do, really. I'm not joking. You go up first. You're the bodyguard.
Okay.
Just in case there's some crazy person there. Try to get in the house. It's Sheikh Salsher. You know, people are fucking crazy, hospital crazy.
Yes.
I won't take any chances. You're the bodyguard. You got your gun?
Yes.
What about your walkie-talkie?
Yes.
Okay, good. I won't film your ass, but go up. Hurry. Pretend you're gay. Stick it up in the air. Hurry. What? Am I too vulgar?
No.
Oh, let's go stand by the flags so people can forgive me. This is First Amendment. Don't be so serious. We're filming the house. We're not rich, but fuck it. Oh, I'm so glad we're back up here nice and safe. Where's the Jedi robe? Oh, there's Nathan. Can you see him? Turn the light on. Right there. Oh, he survived. Oh, fuck. Where's that Jedi robe? Oh, it's right there on my bed. Oh, I'm such a kinky bastard. Can you get the Jedi robe off my bed? I want to show it. I'm so embarrassed.
Okay.
Just grab it off the bed real quick. Oh, I want a Jedi boyfriend so bad. We need to be straight. What? You gotta bring a blue saber. I wanted to build a tip of the Jedi in the desert of Arizona. You guys dropped the bomb. Dropped the saber. Didn't take me seriously. I'm serious. What? Oh, guys, too much, man. Where's the laptop?
Right here.
Oh, cool. Oh, that was too much. Too much excitement. Oh, let's go film the flag now. Here's the little Dark Lords. We can put this as the camera. We're gonna film a little Dark Lord. Hey, if we show the Dark Lord, it's fair game for fucking City Camera channel. I don't care what you say. You can complain. And we'll do the gargle. Thank the gargle for talking about us. I know you were talking about us. I could tell. And I heard from Imperius you were saying something about Temple of Satan. But it's all fair game. Let's go to Temple of Satan YouTube channel and what's the other one? Sith Academy. And fucking Facebook too. All three sites. Go for gold. What? There's the flag. This is all good fun, guys. And fucking we got the devil book. Arrows, the Antichrist, shall be summoned in these storms to born of a mortal womb, a virgin female, at least 18, and shall look like the evil baby it is. Arrows shall look like me. This is me. Look at the black eyes, the evil eyes. Has evil eyes. Ah, shit, that's fucking evil. So evil. Look at those lips. It's alive, this fucking baby. Come alive, Arrows. Come alive. We know you're here. Come to Daddy. We have a room for you and everything. A little blue room. Oh, I know you want us by the Dark Lords. Temple. This is our original Devil's Disciple book. We got too many death threats, so we pulled this. You guys are gonna get this pentagram book now. Right here. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, you get the pentagram book now because they got too many death threats on the other one. And this is a book, unholy book. Either join us or die and read it. Anyhow, yeah, it's a beautiful book, the pentagram, huh?
Yes.
That's our pentagram. We made it together, me and Imperius.
I love it.
Yeah, we're
So
joined at the
awesome.
hips. And yeah, let's do a flag ceremony. We got. You can open the holocron.
Yeah.
The magic mushroom, the Green Lantern.